I've just been on a 6-week trip through India studying business and supply chains. The reason I decided to go on the study tour was pretty much just to broaden my horizons in terms of the knowledge I had on business. I thought this would be a great way to go over and experience it firsthand, where I can just learn on the job and on the spot. We were told we had a 2-week internship and there were 3 we could choose from. So there was agricultural food, textiles, or to a hospital. Personally, I went to a place that manufactured sugar. We were inside the factories, we were actually using equipment and we were, having a go. And I think they thought we were crazy because we were so excited about sugarcane, but it was really cool. My highlight of the trip was the people. I think Indian people are so warm and so welcoming and so loving, and still in contact with them, probably always will be. They're just amazing. And in terms of the experience and the knowledge that I've gained, I think I'm way more confident in terms of business now, and it's kind of got me really excited for just meeting people and seeing how I can push myself in terms of that business side of things. Otago Polytechnic has given me multiple opportunities to travel while studying. Another one was that Prime Minister's scholarship that was specifically for design, and that one was a 4-week trip over to China. The whole idea of the trip was to co-create and collaborate with the students over in China. So a couple of the projects we did was, one was shooting the collections of the fashion students from Otago Polytechnic. So they took their collections over to China and the Shanghai students modelled them, and we took photos in these most beautiful little Chinese villages. And the other big project we did was an exhibition at the end showcasing Shanghai and Dunedin and the contrast between the culture and the people. It developed my design ethos in the way I do collaborative design. And so OP's definitely given me heaps of opportunities to travel the world. It's been amazing. I would definitely recommend applying for a study tour. There's no harm in applying and putting yourself out there. It is amazing. There's just no comparison for meeting all these people and having these experiences that no one else can have except for you in that moment. And I 100% would recommend it to anyone. Just do it.